First, we put the bees in the cold room for a couple hours in order to immobilize them. The bees generally stay asleep the entire time that we're painting them as long as you keep them on ice. They do wake up within about 5 or 10 minutes. So for this experiment, they'll either be fed a sugar syrup solution that's sterilized, or they'll be fed a sugar syrup solution with the antibiotics, and then I can compare the control to the treatment bees in terms of survival and also microbiome composition. I love to watch the bees after they wake up because they have such funny behaviors. They have what I call kissing. It's actually a trophallaxis behavior. I work with thousands of bees a month. I just find them adorable, and they have so many fascinating behaviors.